Guys, it's official. MMK Adventures is in Barney, Texas. Look at all these Ferraris, guys. This is epic. Oh, look at that Ferrari, bro. Let's go in there, Mike. Oh, this is epic.
Look at Lamborghini.
Sign up, give us your contact information. We'll have a drawing and we'll see if you can.
You see that yellow car is that? What is that?
Come on. What do you think, Mike?
Thanks, sir.
This is epic. Epic, epic. Wow, dude, that's epic. Guys, check this out. Hold on. Right here, this is Sky's right here. This one right here. This one's epic. Dude. It's my buddy's car right there. That's a good one. Dude, that's epic. Wow.
See him, he needs to have it.
Wow. Is he loud? Look, let's go look at Sky's car.
Wheel cars, Joe. When Sky was 10 years old,
Tell me.
I took him to the Ferrari
That's
shop,
what we call an Italian
and I
tune-up.
said, "Can we go in and look at can we get a test drive?" And the guy said, "No."
Good.
Ferrari over his bed. A
Really?
6-foot post.
Of that car right there.
Yeah.
And look at him now.
Look at it.
Dude, that is epic. Guys, hey, I think Steven Scher's here. That's a Schergini, right?
No.
The man. What's up, fellas? Tell me something. What do you think about this first experience? Is this your first experience on the Ferrari show or what?
Yeah.
So what can you tell us?
A lot of Italian flavor.
Let's go. What? Dude. Wow, these guys, these are sicko.
Up close.
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't like
You still want
it.
one or
I don't
not?
like it. I don't like
No, really.
it. Because it's a super small space.
Yeah, that's kind of small. Uh-huh.
And the trunk's in the front.
Look at this motor back here. Wow. That one here. Dude, that's a look at this blue one, dude. This one's sick right here, dude.
Like that one.
Wow. Oh, that was epic, bro.
Something crazy.
Guys, check out this sick Lambo.
Thanks so much for bringing it out.
Look at this Lambo, guys.
Thanks, Eric. We'll all enjoy this event.
Oh, wow.
We couldn't do it without Eric.
That is epic.
Thanks.
Sicko mode.
I wonder.
Epic car out, dude. That is epic, dude. Sicko mode. Wow. Oh, wow. So, guys, I think we see Steven Scher's Lambo. Wow. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Oh, that is sick.
It's a classic.
Guys, that is sick. Ferrari, guys, epic.